I'm hungry. What's for snack?
We have bananas.
I don't want bananas.
Oh, I have an idea.
What?
We can turn these into smoothies.
Yeah.
With peanut butter too.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to Sister's Gram.
I'm Mila and this is my sister Mila.
And today we're going to be making the peanut butter banana smoothie. It's just a drink with peanut butter, bananas, and milk. It's so simple but so delicious. Turn a plain banana into something with more pizzazz.
Boop, 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 boop. Mila, I think it's time to get onto the video.
Yeah, let's go.
Bye. So the ingredients we're going to need are banana, ice, peanut butter, and milk.
You're also going to be needing a blender.
So first we need to peel the banana and slice it and then put them into the jar.
We're trained professionals, so we know how to use knives, but make sure to ask a parent for help with cutting. Now time to put a quarter cup of peanut butter into the blender. I'm in the jar.
Then add 1 cup of ice.
So now we have banana, peanut butter, and ice. Now we're going to blend it really well. Now we have blended it and it looks really smooth. So now we're going to add a cup of milk. So I think it looks like, open it, let's see. So now this is the final product. Look, Mila, we turned a simple banana into a delicious smoothie.
Whoa, that's so cool.
I know. You want to enjoy it with some whipped cream and chocolate syrup too?
Yeah!
Let's put some on. Oops.
Yeah.
You want to put on some chocolate syrup?
Sure.
Good job. That's good enough. That's good.
I accidentally put a little bit too much.
Okay, take. Cheers, Mila, to the banana. Enjoy. Does it taste good?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. This smoothie tasted so much sweeter with a really ripe banana.